I'm Michael Woods from Pace Turf. I've shown before the sound that a footstep makes walking across a zoysia putting green, and I want to show you this again today. I'm on the 13th green at Keiya Golf Club in Fukuoka, Japan. This is a core green, which is Zoysia matrella, and the leaf blades are very stiff and they crunch when you walk across them. I'm going to hold the camera about knee height and walk across the green and show you what this looks like. And listen. Yeah, pretty interesting sound. I suppose some other grasses, when they get dry, might make that kind of sound. But the interesting thing about zoysia is it will make that sound even when it's not dry. And that's because the leaf blades are so stiff. Obviously, that has some effect on how the ball is going to roll across it. And you need to make sure that the green is really smooth and cut very cleanly so that the stiff leaf blades don't cause the golf ball to deviate from its intended line.